video.
Yeah.
We're gonna be unboxing a hover soccer board. There's 2 of them, by the way.
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna open this.
I don't know
one.
how to open it. Oh, there's tape. The side.
Wait. Oh, it's right there. Scrape this. Okay, I think I got it.
No, white work.
No, I don't got it.
Okay, I swear to God, if an ad tries to come up.
Yeah. Yeah, my tablet's very bad with ads.
Ooh. Yeah.
Wait,
See it?
still don't got it.
I see it. But I can't get it.
There we go. Okay, got it open.
How do you get
Oh yeah, hover soccer ball right there.
Not fair, I want it. I want to show them.
Batteries aren't included. No.
Well, we can't show you how it works.
Yeah, because we don't have batteries.
But this is how it works.
Yeah, you basically just kick it around like. Yeah. So it's a
Like, kick it like.
a hover soccer ball.
Okay, I hope you liked the video.
Yeah.
So, bye.